Welcome to my channel, Little Fox Fun TV. In today's class, we are going to learn about farm animals. Number 1. Cow. Number 2. Sheep. Number 3. Goose. Number 4. Horse. Number 5. Chicken. Number 6. Goat. Number 7. Pig. Number 8. Donkey. Number 9. Duck. Number 10. Rabbit. Number 11. Rooster. Number 12. Cattle. Number 13. Turkey. Number 14. Llama. Number 15. Pigeon. Number 16. Buffalo. Number 17. Guinea pig. Number 18. Quail. Number 19. Emu. Number 20. Camel. Number 21. Honey bee. Number 22. Silkworm. Number 23. Bison. Number 24. Guinea fowls. Number 25. Ostrich. Number 26. Yak. Number 27. Pygmy goat. Number 28. Reindeer. Number 29. Peacock. Number 30. Bantam chicken. Thanks for watching. Please press the bell icon to subscribe my channel.